Hello students, I am your social studies teacher Amina. Today we are having social class. Before going to start our class, I would like to ask few questions. Can you tell me where is India? Where is America? Where is North America? Where is South America? Where is Arctic Ocean? Can you give the answer all those things? Yes, you can give answer when you read a map. After reading a map, we can give the answers of all those questions. So today lesson is reading and making maps. Reading and making maps. What is map? First, what is map? Map is the representation of the earth's surface on a flat surface. Map is a kind of picture. Map is a drawing. Where is the water bodies? Where is the continents? All those things we have to know after reading a map. Why do we need a map? We need a map to locate a particular places which are located on the earth, like water bodies, continents, all the things we come to know, and we can uses of map. When we use this map, many people use this map, like the driver use this map, Air Force in a defense ministry uses maps, and the traveler use this map. And we also use this map when we want to know the unknown places of the earth. Size of map. The size of map is also important for us, because the size of map is showing in the map as the 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, but actually it cannot draw the actual distance of the ground in a map. So it need to convert the distance in kilometer to centimeter. For example, in our ground, the distance of the particular area is 10 kilometer, but in this map it given as 10 centimeter or 5 centimeter. Next, we have many things in this lesson to understand, to educate ourselves, which we can use in our daily life, like the same symbols, scale, colors, sketch, size, directions, cartographer, atlas. These are the important things which are related to our maps. Symbols are the mark or the indication on the map which helpful to read a map, like the state, national highways, settlements of houses, boundaries of state and countries. Scale is also indicated as the size. It reduces centimeter into kilometer. Colors. The colors is also very important. Blue color indicate the water bodies, green color indicate the landforms, and the brown color indicate the rocky area, mountains, and the yellow color indicate the desert. Next, the sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing. Sketch is a rough drawing of a place which we use to give the information of strangers, give the information to strangers of a particular place. Size, directions are also known: north, south, east, west. These are the main directions. Who is the cartographer? Cartographer is a person who make maps. A person is a cartographer, and his profession known as cartography. Atlas. Atlas is a book of map. In this book of map, we have many maps, several maps, uh, state map, boundaries map, political map, many maps we can study, we can read in this map book. Next, types of maps. In your lesson given, the political map, historical map and physical map are the important maps which is given in your reader. So in the next lesson, I will show you the importance and the detailed pictures of the map. In a physical map, we can study a landforms, mountains, deserts, coastal areas of the earth of our country. Population map, it given the density of population for a particular area in a per square kilometer. Political map, in this political map we can see the state and the capital cities of a country or of a state. Weather map is a temporary map, it is a day-to-day changes, day-to-day information we are gathered, and it also helps to aware of how the cloudy, how the rainy, how the windy of a day climate of a particular area. Historical map is a map which gives the administration and the timeline of a kings or emperors for India or many other countries of the world. Topographical map is very important. It is also give the information of the forest, which are the evergreen forest, a temperate forest, this monsoon forest, many forest and the related trees, plants information we can see from this topographical map. The next is the directions. Directions and subdirections. Directions, you know that the north, south, east, west, these are the directions. And what we call the directions which are lies between of these two main directions. North or east is the main direction and which lies between this direction is the northeast. And the direction south and east are the main direction and the lies between the direction is the southeast direction. And the west or south are the two main direction and the between the direction which lies is the southwest. And the main direction are the north and the west and the between of these two main direction lies a northwest. You already know all this, we also learned in our previous classes. So I will tell you in the next class the detailed information of the map in a separate chart of the full map of all these directions and types of maps. So children, look at the board when you are explaining and take a book and pen when you are explaining and you have to write all those things in your book. If you have any doubt, you can make, as I am making the video of the subject, you also make the video of your doubt and you can write the doubt in a paper and you can send to us, okay?